The Chinese idiom we are going to learn today is 打草惊蛇。打草惊蛇。打 means to hit. 草 grass. 惊 to shock or to startle. 蛇 snake. 打草惊蛇 beat the grass to startle the snake. The story of 打草惊蛇 goes like this. Long, long ago, there was a county magistrate named Wang Lu who worked in present-day Anhui province in East China. Wang Lu was very greedy and took many bribes. One of his clerical officers was equally corrupted and often planned and suggested schemes for Wang Lu. One day, a man went to the magistrate to sue the clerical officer. The crimes committed by the clerical officer were almost the same as the crimes committed by the magistrate himself. Wang Lu was so frightened that he had forgotten his proper role in handling this case. Instead of issuing a judgment to the clerical officer, he couldn't help writing these words concerning the complaint. By beating the grass, you have startled me, who am like a snake under the grass. This story became the backdrop of this Chinese idiom, beat the grass and startle the snake. The original meaning of this Chinese idiom is punishment for someone can serve as a warning to others. But people now use this Chinese idiom to describe a premature action will give the enemy a chance to be on guard and to take precaution. How to use this Chinese idiom, 打草惊蛇? I have listed up two examples. Example number 1. 这次行动千万要谨慎，不能打草惊蛇。这次行动千万要谨慎，不能打草惊蛇。这次行动千万要谨慎，不能打草惊蛇。We have to be cautious in this operation. Don't beat the grass and startle the snake. Example number 2. 别出声，免得打草惊蛇。别出声，免得打草惊蛇。别出声，免得打草惊蛇。Don't make a noise, lest you beat the grass and startle the snake.